Hi, welcome. Today we are going to study about browser compatibility testing. When this compatibility testing is needed. So when the client is sending the email promotion to any customer, then this email promotion needs to be tested in all type of browsers, both in the desktop as well as mobile. If we take desktop, we are using Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, etc. If we are taking mobile, we are going for the iPhone and Android. In Safari or Google Chrome, that is the most useful browsers we are used in the mobiles. So these browsers have some compatibilities. So when we are going this HTML format or whatever the email promotion, we are taking into the browser and we are checking the URL format, and then we are also checking the rendering issues. The rendering issues is nothing but where it is not rendered properly in the sense where the images is not correctly hyperlinked, or where the image format is not worked well, or JPG format, or whatever the format is given, the browser is not accepting that format. Then we are saying this image is not rendering perfectly. Then we will how we will write this issue to the developer. This issue, we can say it as a rendering issue. So we select the browser and we in which browser it is having and that version, and then what is the issue. Suppose if rendering issue is happening, the page is not rendering properly, then we have to say that as not rendering properly. Same in the mobiles also, we used to check this. How we are checking this in mobile? We open the Safari or Google Chrome or whatever the browser we are using in the mobile. We open this and we copy the link and then we paste it and we check for the email format, and then it is landing properly to the website or not. That is also very important. Some of the images will not be hyperlinked and will end into a error page. So this is also very important point when we are checking the compatibility issues with the browser. Some of the browser will react like this and some of the browser will take it to the website page. That is also a browser compatibility. And whenever the image or hyperlink is not executed, is not working properly, then what we have to do is we report this type of bug to the developers. Here I have taken some example. In this, if we see the images is not executed or is replaced properly, this is a type of browser compatibility issue, we can say. Or if we take into the another browser, it will be working fine. If we are using some kind of browser, that will not work. So that browser is having compatibility with this with these images.